Space is the one place where reality feels stranger than science fiction. Mountains taller than 3 Everests stacked up, days that last an entire week, storms that never stop. In this video, you'll discover space facts that sound impossible, but are 100% real. Let's start close to home. Did you know Mercury and Venus are the only planets in our solar system without a moon? Meanwhile, Jupiter doesn't just have one or two, it has over 90 moons. Some of them are actually bigger than Mercury itself. And then there's the Sun. It's not just big, it's absurd. The Sun is 330,000 times heavier than Earth. You could fit 1.3 million Earths inside it. In fact, the Sun holds 99.85% of all the mass in the solar system. Everything else, the planets, the moons, the asteroids, is just cosmic dust compared to our star. Our solar system itself is about 4.57 billion years old. But here's the terrifying part. In around 5 billion years, the Sun will expand into a red giant, and by 7.5 billion years, Earth will be completely swallowed. Now let's zoom out. Mars is home to the tallest mountain ever discovered, Olympus Mons. It's 16 miles high, almost 3 Everests stacked on top of each other, and wide enough to cover the entire state of Arizona. And Mars doesn't just have crazy landscapes. Its day lasts 24 hours and 39 minutes, just a little longer than Earth's. But here's the twist. Because Mars orbits the Sun more slowly, its year is actually 687 days long. Pluto? Tiny. It's actually smaller than the United States. But one day there drags on for 153 hours. That's 6 Earth days and 9 hours. And then there's Neptune, the slowpoke of the solar system. One orbit around the Sun takes 165 Earth years. Since we discovered it in 1846, it's only made a single lap. Back to something more familiar, the Moon. One of the strangest things about it, astronaut footprints will never disappear. With no wind, no rain, and no atmosphere, those marks are frozen in time. They'll stay there for millions of years, unless, of course, an asteroid smashes right into them. NASA also discovered something surprising. There's actually water ice hidden in lunar craters. Not on the surface, it would vanish instantly, but deep in permanently shadowed regions at the poles, frozen water can survive. And have you noticed we always see the same side of the Moon? That's because it's tidally locked with Earth, spinning at the same pace it orbits us. The far side of the Moon stayed a mystery until space probes finally photographed it. Outer space doesn't just look weird, it behaves weird. Liquids in zero gravity don't drip or splash. Instead, they form perfect spheres, held together by surface tension. And if you've ever wondered why stars twinkle, blame Earth. Their light bends as it travels through our atmosphere, distorted by winds and shifting temperatures. But here's the mind-bending part. There are more stars in the universe than grains of sand on Earth. That's about 70 sextillion, 7 followed by 22 zeros, and yet with all those stars, we still only understand 5% of the universe. The rest? It's made of dark matter and dark energy, completely invisible, even with the most powerful telescopes. Even Earth hides cosmic secrets. Did you know our planet is the only one not named after a god? Its name comes from Old Germanic and English words meaning ground, and Earth itself is slowing down. Billions of years ago, a single day was just 18 hours long. The Moon's gravity is pulling on us, stretching our days little by little. Meanwhile, our planet is constantly alive with activity. At any given moment, there are about 2,000 thunderstorms raging worldwide. That's 16 million every year, and 100,000 just in the US alone. And orbiting above us, the International Space Station is racing at 17,150 miles per hour, circling the Earth every 92 minutes. That's 5 miles every second. Oh, and by the way, space itself begins much closer than most people think. Just 62 miles above us lies the Kármán line, the official edge of outer space. You could almost drive there in under an hour. The universe is full of wonders, and these facts are just scratching the surface. Which one blew your mind the most? Let me know in the comments below. And if you're hungry for more cosmic secrets, hit that subscribe button, because this journey through the universe has only just begun.